Hello friends, how are you? I am Raihan Islam. I have bought you a special product. Product name AutoVoiceProfits. Product description: the world first system that pays us for reading. Exports this little no website page. $29 and $100 in just minutes of reading documents and scripts without having to speak a word myself. Zero writing, zero experience, zero extra experience. This is demo video.
In a few minutes, I'm going to show you how this can get you to earn $200 or even as much as $500 an hour in the next 30 days. Hi there, it's John here. Let me ask you this. Are you sick and tired of your day job and wish you could earn just by staying at home? Or are you looking for a job that is less demanding, less stressful, less tiresome? You know, a job without a boss, or even without any specific strict hours of working time? Not only that, don't you also want to stay at home and spend more time with your family and friends, all while earning hundreds, if not thousands of dollars online? If this sounds like you, then you're in luck, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal a secret system that lets you earn $100, $300, or $1,000 online that's all hassle and stress-free. Sound good? Great! Now, before I reveal this, let me first say that it's not for everybody. I have to be ridiculously selective about who I share this with, for reasons you'll understand in just a moment. But first, allow me to introduce to you Natalie. Natalie used to work in a convenience store for 3 years. When she discovered what this secret system could do, she hesitated at first. But
the more we read, the more payments we get. Number 2, literally one click. Easy, just hit activate and you're done. Number 3, zero traffic needed to profit. Number 4, dead simple, no experience required. Number 5, absolutely no extra experience involved. Number 6, no ceiling but we still get paid. Number 7, 30-day money back guarantee. Free gift, first 125 buyers also get your AutoVoiceProfits VIP triple your income. Deluxe edition worth $497, 100% free. Get AutoVoiceProfits at a one-time price. Get instant access now. Click here. Look, just got paid $29 for reading 5 minutes worth of scripts without speaking a word myself. Yes, you're looking at a string of $29 payments thus coming over and over again, because I have a silent that needs voiceover every week. And remember, I don't need to speak a single word. You're just 4 steps away from earning $29 and $100 payments with AutoVoiceProfits. Literally drop dead simple. Step 1. Click any of the buttons on this page to create your AutoVoiceProfits account. Number 2. Download the document given to you. Number 3. Turn the document into a voiceover with our one-click official intelligence. Number 4. Collect $29 and $100 payments by uploading the voiceover. AutoVoiceProfits. You will find the product link in the description of my channel. Thank you so much.